Y'all, I'm gonna show you how I made this beautiful steak frites using this NuWave Todd English Pro Smart Grill. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. It's good stuff, y'all. Hey everybody, I'm CJ from Cooking with CJ, and today we're gonna be working on the NuWave Todd English Pro Smart Grill. This grill is amazing. Now I can't wait to show you how we made those beautiful steak frites using both the grill function and the air fryer function. And there's no better way to do it than just get started. First up, we started with the frites, or otherwise known as French fries. All right, I could have taken the time to slice and dice and make my own French fries, but when the store does it for you and you can just pour them on that air fry basket, listen, we're working smarter, not harder, and that's what we went with. Now, this Pro Smart Grill has tons of features, and one of them is there's 100 preset recipes in this thing, okay? So I went along and looked for frozen French fries, found the setting, found the number. We used number 92 on the presets. That menu button, use the dial, got to 92. Threw the fries in, hit start, and the air frying goes in stages. So the first stage is giving it some initial heat in that browning process. A little ways through, we're gonna see a little pop-up on the screen that says shake. That's for you to shake whatever's in the air fry basket. In this case, we did our fries, got them all shook up, and then finished up the cooking. And then I went ahead and put a little truffle oil on my fries, a little parm, little parsley, and we got some awesome frites to go with the steak that we grilled on this bad boy. I went ahead and threw that PowerPort Smart Grill plate in there, hit that grill button, took it to 500 degrees, got it preheated. While we were preheating, we went ahead and prepared our steak. I just did a simple preparation of kosher salt on both sides. I used a little twine to tie it and keep it a little tight in there. And then I put the temperature probe in there so that way we can monitor the internal temperatures as we cook to make sure we got perfect steak every time. On my steak, we're gonna take it to 135 degrees, carry over, take it to about 140. Once that PowerPort grill plate was heated up, got through that preheating process, we went ahead and got that steak on there, and you could hear that sizzle from across the room, baby. It's looking good. You can smell that steak as soon as it hits that grill. We'll go ahead and shut that grill door and let it go. Once that temperature on that probe hit 100 degrees, we went ahead and flipped it so we can get grill marks on both sides and get even cooking. Shut that lid. When it was finished, we pulled it out and let it rest. And then we're gonna slice into that bad boy. We'll have a nice medium to medium rare. All right, it's gonna be beautiful. The PowerPort grill plate can get up to 550 degrees. Now I know the display on the grill setting is only 500, the max, but it will actually reach 550 to minimize heat loss when you open up that door. So you make sure you get that good sear every time. You're getting those awesome grill marks, right? And the best part is that PowerPort grill is non-stick, so it's easy to clean when you're done grilling up all them steaks on here. And we went ahead and demonstrated the air frying capabilities with those French fries. Now it is very simple to do. It comes with a basket and a rack, so you don't have to use the grill. You just want to air fry some French fries, just use that basket. You're good to go. The top of the unit generates both infrared and convection heat that surrounds your food, allowing the temperatures inside to reach 450 degrees. So you're getting some crispy fries that when you take a bite, they hear you down the street munching on your fries. Another way to cook is using what NuWave calls combo cooking, which allows you to grill and air fry at the same time. That way you get the best of both worlds all at once. This Pro Smart Grill also features a carryover mode. The grill compensates for the carryover cooking that will inevitably occur after cooking. When you have it engaged, this feature ensures that the food is not overcooked while it's resting. The Pro Smart Grill includes a digital temperature probe that measures the internal temperature of your food as it cooks. Just set the desired temperature, such as 165 for chicken, and the Pro Smart Grill will stop cooking once your food is ready. That's a handy dandy item for sure. You never want to overcook your food. I always preach cooking to internal temperatures so you don't dry out or overcook your food. So make sure you're using that internal temperature probe. Guys, the unique multi-level design makes it easier than ever to cook an entire family meal in it. You can grill your entree and air fry your side just like I did with the steak frites. And it just makes your life easier using one appliance to cook your family meals. Something I haven't seen before on any indoor grill or air fryer is an actual light so you can see what you're cooking. On the Pro Smart Grill, there's an integrated light. You just hit that button. You can see what you're cooking. That way you're not opening your door and letting that heat out. And you keep that nice even cook as you go. But if you need to open the door, the cooking is paused for safety. And then when you shut that door, it automatically resumes. I want to go over what's included with your Todd English Pro Smart Grill. It comes with a plug-in grill. Now that PowerPort grill plate is plugged into the power slot in the back of the unit. This ensures the grill gets power for direct heating, okay? So it's not just the convection heat or the infrared heat that's heating up that grill plate. It is actually plugged into the unit where it provides heat to that grill plate. That's where you get your great sear, those great grill marks. You're gonna get one baking pan, which also doubles as your drip pan. So in my cook, I put that baking pan on the bottom and it caught all the steak drippings or the crumbs off the French fries. Get one stainless steel air fry basket, which we used for the frites, for the French fries. You get one stainless steel wire cooking rack, one digital thermometer probe, the quick and easy cooking guide, the owner's manual, and a really extensive recipe book, which I definitely plan on using. Y'all, this one's a winner to me. I'm so excited the way this steak turned out. Perfect like I like it. Had those great char marks on there. I did a little crosshatch pattern because it looks fancy. Right, got those beautiful crispy French fries. It was a meal fit for a king or a queen, and I can't wait to get in this thing again. I hope you all enjoyed watching this one, and you're running out to get yourself one of these NuWave Todd English Pro Smart grills. But other than that, we're done. Have a wonderful week. Take care.